lightweight and it's not heavy. So this it's still mobile. I can still carry this around and do, like, just minimal retouches when I'm traveling and all that. And yeah, it has this on and off switch for the buttons. Yeah, so you see, you can just switch this off. If you don't want to use the buttons on this tablet, you can just switch it off and you can switch it back on. And here are the buttons. See, that's 6 programmable buttons. Here are the buttons on the side, and this can be used by both left-handed user and right-handed user. And the buttons, though, they don't have anti-ghosting, which means you can't press 2 buttons at a time. Like, let's say you want to press Ctrl plus Alt or Alt plus Shift, you can't do that. But still, that is still not a downer for me. I can still use this. And about the pen, and it's holder. Yeah, so this is the pen and this is its holder, and it's really good. I like the pen. It's sleek, and it has this rubber grip. And here are 2 buttons that represents your mouse clicks for the right click and left click on your mouse. It has this rubber grip on the edge here that you can just use to hold the pen down so it doesn't slip away. So, and here is the pen nib itself. And as for the holder, here is it. So as for the holder, the pen nibs has the tablet comes with different pen nibs. So if you max out on one, you can just switch to the other. And this is how you do it. If you want to remove the nib, you just put this inside this hole here. So you do put this in here and just pull, and that's it. See, I removed the nib already. So here are other nibs inside. Let me just open that up. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 extra nibs. Wow, how cool is that? 8 extra nibs on the tablet. Yeah, so you can just, if you overused one and maybe one of the nibs is not functioning properly, you can just change that and just pull one of those things out and put it in the pen, and you're good to go. So that's it for the pen nib. And for the pen pressure, this tablet has 8,000. Yeah, it has 8,192 levels of pen pressure, which is really cool. So here are the specifications on the side. If you'd like to see more of that, I would put this in another section so you can check this thing out yourself. And yeah, the specifications are really cool. And yeah, it connects with using this cable here. Yeah, using this cable here. It's not wireless, so I think, well, that is something that will really be a problem for me, because I like if stuffs are really compact and I don't have to go with wires all around. But for the sake of price, this is really a really affordable tablet. It's not as expensive as its competitors, and yeah, I just have to make do with this for the money's sake. It costs less than $47. I got this from AliExpress and they came in like 2 weeks or so. So I will leave the link in the description down below where you can buy it. And for the driver, this is the stuff that shows where you can download it. So you just visit the link in this paper and you'll be able to download the driver from there. And yeah, I think that is all that is there to know about it. And let's head over to the system now, and I'll show you how to configure this for your use. So after you've downloaded the driver, this is the interface of Huion. This is what you're going to see. And yeah, over here on the press keys function, you would see these are the programmable buttons for the tablet, and you can easily customize each of the buttons for whatever you so desire. Remember how I said this tablet does not support anti-ghosting, but you can still customize each of those buttons to match up for anti-ghosting. Like you can just set up a combination of keys here. Like if you press the button over here, and this is the combination set for it, you're going to have Ctrl-Alt-Z in just one button. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And here is the digital pen function where you can increase the sensitivity the pen. Right now I have it set to 4, and here you can test for the pressure of the pen. So if I just hold the pen down just like that, so if I hold it down, and yeah, you see, you can just test for the pressure of the lens over the pen. Right, forgive me, the pen over there. And here's the work area. And yeah, the size of the tablet, the face of the tablet here, from here to here, is what matches up with the size of your screen, the size of your monitor. But I have it reduced to this size because I want my pen to be able to get quicker from the bottom to the top. I want to be able to move faster. I don't want to drag my pen all the way here before I get to the top of my screen. I want to move my pen in short increments and get everything good. So yeah, that's it about the interface. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review of the Huion 640P. So if you like it, please click the like button, and you can subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this and more. And I will see you in the next video. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Bye.